And I thought it was the job. It was a career that was given to me by God. But little did I know, out of the years of my existence, in this company, in this platform of Reway International is where I stayed longer. And with that, I give awesome gratitude to Reway International for giving an opportunity from an ordinary person like me, or a person who started Reway without anything. Honestly, I am at my bottom rock when I started Reway. And now I can say that my children, together with the people that I have influenced together with my full team, have better lives today. Could you please give Reway a round of applause? Whenever you felt stuck, who among you here experienced being stuck?
You're stuck here.
Being stuck? You know, I've been at business for 5 years. Do you think it's okay? No. Honestly, when I was given this topic, I told myself, thank you, Lord. This is the best topic for me. Because upon studying the topic that is given to me, I was really awakened. If you felt stuck, if you felt like you have been in your job or career for a long time but there's no growth, if you think that there's something that you can give, but it seems like something is pulling you not to make it, if for the longest time you know that you are capable of things, but it seems like you are not given that opportunity, can you please tell the person beside you? Because if there's one thing, even our mobile phones, even our computers, even any gadgets in the world, if it is malfunctioning, what do we do? What do we do? What do we click? It starts with the capital R. Ends with the letter T. One more time? Reset. And another word. Restart. Could you please tell the person beside you
Today.
we have to start. All the others over. Today. We have to start. Since 2026, we will be moving forward. And so my topic for today is the most difficult, but the most rewarding. Again, my topic today is the most difficult, but the most rewarding. Because actually, if we are stuck, if we stay still, the main reason is we don't know how to start. If things are not going our way, if our goals aren't achieved, it seems there's something wrong. And the main reason is a lot of people, a lot of leaders inside this room today forgot the basic thing. It's all about restarting. And ladies and gentlemen, when you started to restart yourself, when you started to empty your cups, because you cannot pour from a full pitcher. You can only pour in an empty cup or an empty pitcher, right? So which means to say today, you are sitting here today, not because you are in that position, not because you are forced, but because today you believe you need something bigger, you need something influential, you need something that can change your life. It can, like the firecracker that James Strong has been saying a while ago, if you want the fireworks, the fuse to be longer, it's up to you. But today, if you choose to be here, even right now, the result will be different. So, in restarting, ladies and gentlemen, it's not an easy task just because you got pride, I'm like this. But ladies and gentlemen, I was reminded that no matter who you are today, whatever position that you have in your way, there's one thing that you have to do, and you need to come back, and that is restarting yourself. Knowing how to start again and doing it, and doing it over and over and over and over again, non-stop. But it can only be done if you are really serious in doing it. Again, I repeat, it can only be done if you are serious and treated this industry as a business. Because if you are serious, there is willingness extravagant changes. You want to become who you are, and you want to become the best of who you are, you need to start changing now. But only if you are willing. If only if you're willing to be influenced. If only you are serious. So if today you come here, and you thought na, uupo lang ako buong araw, I'm just gonna sit down for 2 days, there's food. It's cold, the seat is comfortable. It's up to you. But today, as I entered this room, from the preparation up until now, I know that Leeway Philippines is serious. Because today, we're almost 4,000 and counting. If you're serious, if you are willing to change, if you want to become better, it's because you find yourself in a position wherein there must be result. There must be changes that must be done inside and outside. Because ladies and gentlemen, in this industry, direct selling, I'll be honest with all of you, it's easy to get in. Jenna, are you sure it's easy to get in? Yeah. Because if you want to become a professional nurse or a doctor, or you want to be a good salesperson, you need to pass a lot of series of tests, correct? Tama? But then, in Leeway, you don't need those qualifications. You don't need to pass those examinations. You don't need to have a title to get in. Right? As long as you're 18 years old and above, no limit. No limit. But because of this leniency in getting into this industry, there's a saying that when you go to direct selling, it's impossible that the people are disciplined. Ask me why. Ask me why.
Why?
Because different backgrounds, different attitudes, different characters of people, was it really easy to influence and unite as one in your direct selling? No. Discipline is really difficult. But you know, ladies and gentlemen, I have experienced getting in some companies when I was younger, and even before meeting Leeway, at least around 2 to 3 companies. But I am so proud to say, I'm so proud to wear this pin. Up until now, I'm so proud that for 9 years, this is how I look at myself. It's because Leeway is the only company that puts up a culture.
Sige
Put
lang.
on a
Kasi nag-react
standard.
kami.
Not only a typical standard.
Hindi ka naman
Put high
ready.
value and high regard to standards. Let's give it a round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen,
Kaya nga, thank you.
when we talk about standards, we talk about discipline. It means, it's like getting into Leeway, getting inside that black box of Leeway, then suddenly, after a few weeks, after a few months, after a few years, upon getting out of that black box, you become a different person. Not negatively, but you became a better person.
Correct.
Not only for your family, not only with your relatives and friends, not only in the community, but becoming a citizen and a world-class citizen. Lakpakan po natin sila. So much as the introduction, my topic is how to start. And ladies and gentlemen, I will give you all the steps on how to start. Because when we started Leeway, and I would like to take this paper and use of the time to start. Please give a round of applause. I know it's only taking 4 years, but I do it as a career. And for 1 whole month, I noticed though I do the presentation, though I do the invitation, I do a lot of things, step by step, I follow. But why is it that I'm not attaining my goal? I'm not attaining my goal. And today, I realize upon my topic that there's actually 4 conditions. There's actually 4 conditions. When I talk about conditions, this must be done first. This is important. These are foundations that even how good you are representing the Rabbinic result, that even though how good you are inviting people that are good at closing sales, if you don't have these 4 conditions, you will not succeed in living. So today, can you please brace yourselves? Can we always press our reset button? Can I count on all of you today?
Yes.
Are we all willing to learn that?
Yes.
Because mind you, this will talk blow my mind for the past 2 months to the extent I wasn't able to sleep. And this topic which I am about to share moved me in my team to a higher level for this year 2026. So if I am excited, I hope you're all excited. Because maybe the reason why you are not succeeding is because you lack 4 in these 4 conditions. So are we all ready?
Yes.
Are we all ready?
Yes.
Thank you so much. So let's start with the first one. The first of the 4 conditions is very, very vital. You need to have a professional image. As the saying goes, you need to look like me. Just kidding. When you talk about professional image, when people look at you, when people talk to you, you can gain their trust. There is a saying that first impressions last. When I entered my first day in Greenway, I was wearing shorts, I was wearing shirt, I was wearing my Havaiana flip-flops. Because all along, I thought it was the typical direct selling company. Ladies and gentlemen. But when I entered the borders of Greenway, I was shocked. I saw mafias. And when I was born, this is really the office. My outfit. And then I saw Chinese people. I saw an Indian guy. I saw a Malaysians. Not there are Malaysians. If I'm not mistaken, there's Coach Raymond Doll, if you around Cornwalls, there's Angel Box, Alaka, and Shen, like that. So you are like, I'm really at the right place. Is this really the place? Tita Beth, is this really the place? And yes, it's really the office of the day. And ladies and gentlemen, upon seeing how I look, I started to think, it seems that this direct selling company is a service company. This company, Greenway International, is a serious company. So ladies and gentlemen, at first I was I bought a Hukay. In English, you call it a second-hand or thrift shop. Because when I started Greenway, I doesn't have much. I settled on Hukay when it comes to clothes. I always wear my push-up pink halda. I bought Hukay shoes and a blazer of black. All along, it's okay. I don't fix my hair. I thought that's just how I should start. But ladies and gentlemen, as I moved along, I noticed that people not only wear their suits, they are dressing for success. Because I remember there was one training I attended, and I learned so much from the training. What he said, the speaker said that time, you have to be serious in how you look, because how you look at yourself matters. If you look successful, success follows you. Again, I repeat, if you look successful, success follows you. Ladies and gentlemen, what if today I'm speaking in front and I'm wearing rubber shoes? Can you trust me? Can you trust me? I'm wearing rubber shoes today. No. If I don't put myself in high regard, would people respect me? Because ladies and gentlemen, in dressing well, in looking at your best, if you look at the mirror every day, you dress for success. Automatic, even your mind, even your heart, even your whole body and cells work towards making you successful. Works keep on putting in my mind, registering it, auto-suggesting myself that I don't care about what people say. The reason why they are not successful because they don't look successful. The reason they're not successful, they don't look successful. As compared to Europeans, I believe in Europe, they dress really on suit. In the Philippines, we don't dress like this. And that time I remember my whole neighborhood, because I have to walk 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes from my home, going to the village gate so that I can ride a tricycle or tuk-tuk in Thailand. Many people, my neighbors are laughing because it was so hot that I am wearing suit. But that time, I don't care. All I know is that I am in the way and I'm dressing for success. And when I dress for success, success will what? Follow me. You will attract. You will attract not what you want, but you will attract who you are. Again, you attract not what you want, but you attract who you are. So today, I do believe there are many people who are, not taking professional English seriously. But today, I hope I didn't offend anybody, but I hope today forward, when we started our day, we must look successful. Can I count on that? They said, it's hard to wear a suit because it's a sacrifice. But I saw boss. I even heard him say that ever since he's 24, he's been wearing a suit. And I do believe the people in front not only wear suit, they sleep with their suit. Am I right? Yeah, let's look at that suit. You do the work. We invite career inside our hearts and we do it. And sometimes we slept wearing our suit, then wake up again. And ladies and gentlemen, having a professional English is everything. First impressions last. And of course, the most important thing is that understanding why are we really wearing suit. Just can we actually wear pants, typical shirts and like that. But for the past 9 years I've been weaving, and weaving has been in the industry for going 19 years. There is one evident thing. We wear suit. We are professionally, how we look at it, we should be professional because we are serious in changing our lives. So we are sitting here today with the person who invited you. If you're sitting here today with your outline, if you're sitting here today with your leaders wearing suit, I'm telling you, Reway is serious in changing your lives. Reway is serious in changing your lives. And honestly, I love wearing suits now that if I'm not wearing suit, I feel so uncomfortable. That even the choices of my clothes are either black. Most of the time they're black. And I remember there's one incident in which there was, the impact of wearing suit, wearing and looking professional, is that I have a group, under one making Audi, Rodrigo Baggio Jr., in which they had been, they went to a house with one old lady, the owner of the house, and caregiver. And in the CCTV camera, they presented me. And upon going home, while on the way, somebody told them, the police, asked me what happened. What? Sir, we are in the police station because Mrs. blah blah blah, and the helper said that one of the lockers of the house was stolen. And you were your group is the only guest in the house. So you know what happened? The SUV arrived. 5 men in black. Again, 5 men in black went down. The whole police started to put a salute. And And the king said, sir, we are Rodrigo Baggio, we are the person who was invited and went to the house of Mrs. Then we asked what's wrong. And then suddenly the police look at the caregiver and then look at the people who are wearing suits and look again at the caregiver and said, are you sure they're the one who stole the laptop? And upon reviewing the CCTV, there's no such thing that had happened. But look at the respect. I want you all to imagine what has been going on for the past years when you are in the airport. We are all wearing suits, hair sleeve, red lipstick, full makeup, wearing our real pin, with our new luggage. And we are going into immigration. More than 100 people are lining up in the EF. I want you to imagine this. And we started working. And the immigration officer, leader, right? Yes. Are all of them included? Yes, sir. Okay. Then another one will agree. Oh yeah, I know. We may. Yes, sir. No questions.
Yeah.
Yes. Boss. Thank you. With all gratitude, I would like to thank the boss for putting in standards, for making Filipinos and the rest of the people understand that everybody has hope to having changed life simply by what? Making ourselves look better and with value. Can you please give me a round of applause? Now let's go to the next slide. The next thing that you have to do is that you only need not only to know that you are getting into Leeway just to earn money, right? You need to have adequate knowledge. And we talk about adequate knowledge. I remember the quotation of Ernie Barong. He's one of the most famous weather forecaster in the Philippines during the 90s. And he said this, knowledge is power. Knowledge is power. Even though you are dressed for success, but your mind is empty, you cannot move forward. A lot of people, when they get into Leeway, they thought it's all about selling. No. If there's one thing that a lot of us lacked when we started Leeway, it's simple. We don't master and understood 6 P's. What are the 6 P's? It's the platform, which later will be discussed by one of the leaders. Ito one undo, palagpakan natin. The product, the plan, the potential, the procedure, and people. Why do we have to study this? Because if we understand and if we know the 6 P's, these 6 P's will give us armor as we combat the market. These 6 P's will give us confidence to conquer every rejections, every people with me. But the worst part is there are a lot of people here who only rely upon the statement of the uplines. Of their leaders. Coming here is one step. But succeeding here, you need to have this and understand this very well. Because ladies and gentlemen, as business and entrepreneur people, if you consider yourself as a global leader, you need to be a learned individual. You need to learn the 6 P's. Are you with me? You need to be taught. You need how to empty your cup. Jeddah, I'm a lawyer. I cannot do that. No, I don't believe you. If you really want to succeed in Leeway, you need to understand and learn over and over and over again. The reason why there is leadership training center conducted by Leeway every quarter, a university at its finest. Let's give Leeway a round of applause. And the third one, aside from having good physique, outward appearance. Now you have the knowledge. Number 3 that is very important is you need to have an excellent mindset or mindset of excellence. What does it mean to excel? It means dictionary. Only attitude, that when you add it all up, it is equal to how many? 100%. It's not only that you are good. In this industry, you will be combat, you will make combat, you will fight, not only with others, not only with the market, but the most important enemy of your success is your own self. That's why when I'm talking about this honestly, I'm so hit, left and right, up and down. If, for example, you set a goal of hitting it, no matter what happens, when you commit, you have to do it. When you wanted to really have a change in life, you have no choice but to change. And not it will take you some time or a longer time, you have to change to have to happen now. And ladies and gentlemen, there's a very big difference. Why people doesn't win? Because according to a very famous coach, he said, winning is a habit, so as losing. Winning is a habit, so as losing. A while ago, I asked you if you don't stop. It means we have been losing. We have been what? Disintegrating. We started to slow down. It means when you push the reset button, I have to get back on track. I have to know what they have been doing. I have to be on track. I have to fight to win. Because it's not only about earning money, but you really have to conquer yourself. You need to look for somebody. I want you to compete with this leader. I want you to become the best. I want you to become the top one. By what? You need to put on a date. Because why are people are not serious? Of course, because of these two powerful words. Job and career. A lot of people thought that job and career are the same words, with same meaning.
Far different.
They are not placed in a dictionary to have the same meaning. But a lot of people thought it was just the same. You know, when you talk about job, why people are not seriously doing living? Why we are not seriously doing? Because we treat most of the time this industry as a job-seeking opportunity. When you talk about job, you are given a task and then you do it. But when you talk about career, it's different. We are not given a task. You personally plan. You personally invest to become better. You are focusing on personal growth so that you can attain your goal. That is the difference between a job and career. What else? When you talk about job, ladies and gentlemen, it's short term. Meaning, oh, I'm going to work for 20 years. That's why you are given a plan. When you talk about career, up until you die, that is what you are really got. In the job that you are given, you don't need qualification, ladies and gentlemen. You wanted to become a nurse, just pass the board exam, that's it. You get the job. But when you talk about career, there is what? There must be development. There must be personal growth. You are aiming to become better who you are from previous to a better you or a better person. To become a typical human being, to now we are called not distributors, not business partners. We are what? Called leaders. People coming in waiting, but it's all about selling. Jada, I don't have the talent to sell. I'm a nurse, I don't know how to sell. I know how to take care of patients. Jada, only people who are talkative can do presentations. I don't have the talent there. Really? You cannot speak? But the challenge is here. You know, Leeway is challenging. Why? It makes you a better person each and every day. Because when we talk about Leeway, it's not about selling. This industry is not about selling. You want to succeed here? One thing's for sure. You need to have the passion to change people's lives. You want to succeed here? You need to have the passion to change people's lives. Because here, you can earn as much money as you want. But if you don't have the heart, you cannot stay long.
Correct.
Whatever problems that come your way, a person who's into a job will always keep on complaining. Ma'am Jeda, there are people there, blah, 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 blah. Oh, I don't want to do this and the market. That is the attitude of leadership. Whatever it takes attitude. Because if you see Ringway as a job, you're complacent. You do it part-time. But only there's promotion. When things are easy, that's job. But if you think this is a career, I'll do whatever it takes to leave a legacy for my family because Ringway is forever. Ringway is forever! A job? Maybe a few years? But when you're a Ringway, you are leaving a legacy to your entire family, which is evident because your account can be passed next to your king. Let's give Ringway a round of applause. And of course, we talk about the physical, we talk about the brains for the knowledge, we talk about the mindset or the attitude, our posture. The next and the most important part, which I love about Ringway, is we talk about the spiritual value. And where the spiritual value comes in, and then we talk about this very important and last condition, which is the righteous practice. It is me doing things with integrity. And what is integrity? Doing the right things even no one is looking. You know, ladies and gentlemen, I'll be honest with all of you. I've been tempted many times. But I remember my mentor Raymond Kong keep on telling me, Jada, if what you are doing cannot be duplicated, if your people cannot do what you do, don't do it. Can you please give Coach Raymond a round of applause? There are times, cross-lines comes in, wanted to be in the line. So much as you wanted to, I don't want to hurt other people's feelings because I know how it feels. There are many people here stepping on the foot of other people just to be able to gain where they are. Leaders, we are leaders because we can lead and ourselves we can lead. The righteous practice is so evident that it teaches us very one important thing, and that is what? To give honor and value to where you are and how you position yourself. So ladies and gentlemen, as I've been saying a while ago, what do you want people to remember because of you? When you leave this world, what can people remember you on? Not only people taking this seriously, by slashing, getting people of other people, putting down the value. You know what you're doing? You are not only destroying your life, you are destroying each and every hopeful people who wanted to have better lives. But I do believe in one thing. God sees. God sees. Do things right just once. It is always being shared on stage. Do Ringway right just once. Because from the logo of Ringway, showing you the right way, not the wrong way. Ladies and gentlemen, it's easy to pass on the most difficult passage, but I'm telling you it will be all worth it. It might be easy to shortcut things because you have scapegoats. You cannot burn the bridges, but one thing is for sure. You do it right. You do it right over and over again. Even if you fail, do it right over and over again. Because I'm telling you, you are not only creating a thing that you keep on doing, you're creating a habit. And that habit, what? Attracts success. Because slowly, those four conditions, when it is met, actually you are already a success. So ladies and gentlemen, if we do these four things, four conditions, we create a culture. And this is Ringway's culture, ladies and gentlemen. And that is something to be proud of. In which this culture can be passed on next to our generation of leaders over and over and over again. So when it comes to the four conditions, on how to start. Now that you're conditioned, you dress well, you have enough knowledge, you have an excellent mindset, and you keep on practicing it together with righteous practice. What happens next? Let's go to the 6 steps. So the 6 steps, the first one is setting a goal. Okay? So, when you talk about the goal, ladies and gentlemen, you need to remember this. A person without a goal is like a dead person.
Correct.
And if you have a dream and you don't put action into it, you are just daydreaming. I learned that from our general manager, Mr. James Chong. And if you have a goal, make sure to remember this word, S-M-A-R-T, smart. Smart. Let's start with letter S. It should be specific. What is your dream? Do you want to have a house? Be careful. What type of house? A lot of people here dream for houses. Right? Ma'am Jada, I dream of a house. Okay, and then the house is given to her. Right? When you step inside the house, welcome. When you get inside, thank you, come again. Be careful. Is it a bungalow? It is his bedroom. You need to be very specific. What car do you want? Do you want a Mercedes S-Class? Do you want a BMW 7 to 8 series? You need to be very specific. What do you really want? And next, it should be measurable. You cannot say, I just want a house. What house? It should be measurable. Next, it should be attainable. It can be done. In real way, it can make all your goals and dreams come true. It must be realistic. When you say realistic, I want to earn 2 million in 1 day. You just started. Would that be possible? No. You need to go to process, so it should be realistic. And last but not the least, a lot of people like us forget it. Ladies and gentlemen, that every goal is time-bounded. Kailangan meron siyang deadline. Because as I've said, we take release a career. There should be development. Do you understand now? Let's go. What else? If you set a goal, what else? It could be a rank. I want to be like this. I want to be like that. I want to be monster, two-star, three-star, elite. I want to be Pegasus. I want to become supreme. And of course, the most important rank, I want to become a Draco. Those are goals. We have to make sure that every month, when you set it, you hit it, whatever it is. Okay, the next one. The second step is listing. All along, I thought that when we talk about prospect list or the name list of the people, it's just maybe put, I just wanted to present it to somebody. But ladies and gentlemen, don't you know that the people around you, the relationships that you build is actually an asset? When you talk about asset, it means it can grow. Which means to say, in this industry, ladies and gentlemen, your asset is the people around you. It could be your family, it could be your friends, acquaintances, co-workers, name it. They must be put in a prospect list. And I did it before. I put 100 people. I write all the names. And can you please congratulate me? Yes. You know why? Out of all the 100 people I placed, only 10% believe in me. And they're here today. Philippines and Diamond Star Achievement. Let's give them a round. I don't care if I didn't complete the 10. At least I have the 10%. And for 9 years, we are still together. Bakit po natin? 9 years of relationship. So ladies and gentlemen, when it comes to listing, we have to categorize. We have to make sure that they are the people you wanted to help. Okay? They are the people that cross your mind. Anybody, at first, our family will believe us. Most of the time, it's the strangers, the people who are not close to believe us, or most of the time our friends. And you know, ladies and gentlemen, the beauty of media, in my whole prospect list, the 97 I written there is my best friend, Maricon Saclan, who who just entered Leeway online 9th year. Palakpakan natin. And sometimes we try to convince the person who knows you, right? But I do believe when my friend saw me, she said, in Tagalog, but I'll translate it in English, Jada, ikaw na ba yan? In English, Jada, is that really you? Why? Because the package really did to me create a change. And that change become what? A person worth trusting. So now, I do believe my best friend bought 2 buses today for this LPS. Let's give her a round of applause. And number 3, of course, it's not enough that you just written them. You just write them on a paper. Make it a habit. Put a planning onto it. When are you going to meet them? For the whole month of February. When are you going to meet prospect A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to plan. You have to plan. It is not enough that you just write them there. And there's a saying that if you want to succeed, you need to plan. Because if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. And again, if you treat Leeway as a career, you should have a plan so that your business will grow. Are you with me? Are you still there? Yes. So planning is very important. Well, if you wanted to reach your goal, you put the list of assets. Now, what's next? That is where the plan comes in. I will do the presentation. I will do like this, like that, like that. And of course, number 4. So now that you plan, you start inviting them. A lot of people post long notes, no message on Facebook. But in fact, you can just call them. You can just meet with them. Stop posting on Facebook. I'm telling you, it's not going to build a good relationship. Visit them. Have a coffee. Have a chit-chat. So that they can come. And when during the invitation phase, that is where you will put in the MORN. What is that? Assessing. What do they need? Is their family okay? Maybe somebody sick? Is somebody have problems with their occupations right now? How about their creation? Do they still have time for their family? Or they just focus on their work? And last is the money. Are their business running good? Because during the time that you need them, you invite them over, you will learn something from them. And remember, during presentation, it's just the time you answer. You can provide or you can share to them answer from their problems. That is where we can share solutions. You understand? Okay, so because on the 5th step, it's vital that you have now can share the OPT, the product and the opportunity to them. At first, ladies and gentlemen, when you are starting, you cannot do it alone. So we are here to support you. I remember again, Coach Raymond, Jeda, I only gave you 3 OPTs, present. Then after the 3 OPTs, your turn. So for 3 OPTs, I'm listening attentively to Coach Raymond. And on the 3rd OPT, not actually the 3rd, actually the 2nd OPT, he already pushed me to do the OPT. And then I don't know. And you know what Coach Raymond told me? No, you can do it, darling. You can do it, darling. You can do it. And so, I don't have the strength. I don't have the capacity to do it. But ladies and gentlemen, it's only a matter of practice. It's only a matter of practice. So ladies and gentlemen, you are here today because somebody shared to you. They want to make your business grow. You have to come to the Leadership Training Seminar. Because here you will learn a lot of things. This is also a good opportunity to learn. This is also an avenue where you can share to people. What else? Leaders Recognition Night. You want to see successful people, attend the Leaders Recognition Night. If you're losing grip, you want to see purpose, see Leeway. Because I tell you, Leeway is mind-blowing. Why? Because they're creating history of successful people that no other company in the world can. It's only Riway International. And lastly, this is the part a lot of people fail. Ma'am Jeda, they already went home. I've been calling them, they're not answering anymore. Ma'am Jeda, I've been inviting them, they don't answer my call, my messages in Facebook. Leaders, I thought all along that follow-up is all about business. But follow-up is actually an essential for what? Building relationship. Follow-up is not about them seeing Riway. It's all about you in Riway learning something from them. Do you understand? When you follow up, you stop talking about Riway alone. You have to get to know the person better. You know, at times there are leaders inside this room, and even I do. If they don't attend the event, and after they attend the event, I follow up. I remember one of our community problems, Veronica Diaz. I presented the email. She's not interested yet. But did I cut the relationship? No. I visit Pangasinan. I go to the Dagupan. I eat hito or catfish. I eat what? Ano pong maganda sa Dagupan? Tigang-tigang. It's an authentic dish. I keep coming back, building relationship with them, with the couple, Kuya Jerry and Ate Veron. I get it stuff. And then, what happens? Boom! After 4 years, suddenly they are in Riway. Kapag natin. Ladies and gentlemen, follow-up is not about you. Follow-up is about them. Because knowing them is embracing them. And the easiest way to partner with a person is having an established relationship. 3 days ago, I had a meeting with GM. And he asked me these 2 questions. Is it okay if I ask this with you? Yeah. We're ending. He said, Jada, is it good to have a relationship first before entering a business? Or is it better to start the business first and then develop the relationship? You know what I answered? Number 1, it is good to have a relationship first before having a business. Are we have the same answer? Do we have the same answer? Yes, I'm wrong. I'm wrong. And there's one thing I realized. The people that we have in Riway, most of them are the people that we don't know.
Strangers.
Most of them are the people recommended to us.
Strangers,
People
friends.
trusted our integrity. People trusted what we offer. People trusted the company because of us. And as we go along with Riway, started to feel the different, roles. Sometimes, we get angry with our leaders, right? Is it common? We fight? Is it common? We have arguments? And sometimes a lot of complaints? Most of the time, leaders want always free. Come on. Sometimes misunderstandings come in. But what made this relationship grow? It's because all of you got the goal, and that's to succeed. That no amount of circumstances can break a relationship you both build in a way. Riway leaders. Riway is serious. Riway is opening its arms to everybody, saying that this is a good platform, this is a good career. And offering our hands today to all of you. I hope you will shake hands 100% because we are serious to change the lives. Can you please give me a round of applause? And lastly, upon understanding the conditions, upon fulfilling the steps, there is one prayer I keep on pleading to God. Is that we Philippines will rise again. It's because we have been Riway, and Riway has been so generously giving us with so much that no other company ever gives. Riway is the only company who can give value to you. Even at times you look at the mirror, you don't see the value anymore. But Riway is that silent voice keep on telling you to move forward, to keep swimming, to keep on moving, and to keep on fighting. That is Riway. And in fact, last January, I was challenged by Miss Claudia Ong. Love you, Miss Claudia. But it seems Filipinos forgot gratitude. But today I'm stepping in front, telling you by this year, our team, my team, can you please all stand